Okay, you've made it this far. We've done brows, eyes, concealer, eyeliner, mascara, blush, and now here we are for the contour. I might even throw in a little surprise too. So let's do the contour. I have not changed my contour routine in like forever because it works. So I'm still using my Bdellium tool, 940 brush here, and I still use Blunt from MAC. And I forgot to say, whenever you see these yellow handled brushes, they're from Bdellium Tools, and you can go to my website, carrierobertsmua.com/brushes, and get anything from this website with 10% off shipped to you. So they're great brushes. They're pro quality. They last a really long time. I use them for myself and for my clients. But anyways, back to the contouring. So contouring is designed to make you look slimmer. Contour, it pulls everything back. It kind of like sucks you in, whereas highlight kind of pushes things forward. So highlighting, you want to push forward the cheekbones, the chin, the nose, the cute stuff, and then like your cheeks, your forehead, the stuff that's kind of big and bulky. That's the stuff you want to pull back, slenderize the stuff here. So anyways, this is the brush that I use, and I'm going to try to do this through here. I like to start at the hollow of the ear, which is right about here, and goes to the cheek, and you have a natural hollow there anyways. I can't do this without a mirror. I don't know who I thought I was fooling. But anyways, so we're gonna just kind of back and forth motions, but we're still going in this direction. Do you see the difference that looks just from one side? I do. I always feel like it just makes me look more polished. So I'm hitting the hollows of the cheeks here. I'm blending out to the temples and the forehead. But I have a round face, and scientifically or like textbooks wise, an oval face looks good. So what I do is I put the highlight here, or the contour, I'm sorry. I put the contour here, but I do kind of blend it in here just to kind of slenderize this part of my face so that it does appear a little more oval and a little less round. So that's what I do for my face shape. If your face is a little more a little more oval or a little more slim, that might be something you skip. Whereas if your face is a little more round like mine, or a little more square, that might be a step that you continue just like I do. See, now that we've got some contour, those cheeks don't look so scary, right? I am contouring at the bridge of my nose because I don't have very defined bridge. So that again is something personal preference based off of your personal anatomy. It's not a makeup rule. It's based off of how you look. And I mostly just stick to it right through here because I've got plenty of definition down there. So there you have it. I'll take a little bit of my finishing powder. Thank you. Thank you for sticking around this whole week. You've seen the deconstructed look, all constructed and put back together. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Please like and subscribe, and come back next week where I will be giving more tutorials. And thank you, and have a great week.